Hey guys, I'm doing all the Java rank. Hey guys, I'm doing all the HackerRank Java problems on this channel. So don't forget to check out the link in the description box, and you'll be provided with all the problems on Java. So let's take this problem today. We are given a string s and two indices start and end, and we need to print a substring consisting of all the characters in the inclusive range from start and end -1. So what we have given here is that we will be given a string, like for example hello world, and will be given two integer variables. The first is the starting and second is the ending point of our substring. So what we need to do is we need to take the first in value as the starting point of our substring, and we need to take the last integer value and -1, so end -1, so 7, that means 6. So 6 index will be the last index of our substring. So we need to print that middle part from index 3 to index 6. So here index 3 is 0 1 2 3, so index 3 is the second L, and 4 5 6, so O is the index 6. So LOWO will be our substring, so we need to print it. So here we have given the string s, then we have given these two integer values start and end. So we need to print our substring, which is between inclusive region of start and end. So it will not include the index n, it will include the index n -1. So here in Java we have a function in string that we use to print strings. So we are going to use that system.out. So the function is as the name of the string, then dot substring, then bracket, and we will separate the two integer variables with a comma. So it will start with